Have you ever walked into a cafe and felt calm right away? Today, I want to tell you about my favorite cafe. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Listening Room. Today's episode is simple and relaxing. I'm going to talk about my favorite cafe and why this place means a lot to me. My favorite cafe is not very big. It is close to my home, so I often walk there. It takes about 5 minutes. The cafe is on a quiet street. There are a few small shops and trees nearby. Cars don't pass very often, so the street feels calm and peaceful. When I open the door and walk inside, I already feel better. The cafe is small but very cozy. There are wooden tables and comfortable chairs. The lights are soft and warm. The walls are light brown, and there are green plants everywhere. It feels natural and friendly. There's always soft music playing, not loud, not distracting, just enough to create a nice mood. I usually sit near the window. I like watching people walk and cars passing slowly outside. I usually order a cup of hot coffee. Sometimes I order a cappuccino, and sometimes a simple black coffee. The coffee smells great. It is strong but smooth, not too bitter. When I feel hungry, I also order a small piece of cake. Nothing fancy, just something sweet. The staff are very friendly. They smile and say hello. Sometimes they remember my order, and that makes me feel welcome. This cafe is special to me because I feel relaxed there. I go there when I feel tired after work. I go there when I want to think quietly. Sometimes I read a book. Sometimes I just sit and enjoy my coffee. I don't check my phone very much there. I try to stay in the moment and enjoy the calm feeling. One afternoon, it was raining outside. I was sitting near the window with my coffee. I could hear the rain and smell the coffee. Everything felt slow and peaceful. That moment made me love this cafe even more. So, this is my favorite cafe. It's simple, quiet, and warm. If you want to listen to a podcast about my home, I'll put the link for you below. Now it's your turn. Think about your favorite cafe or restaurant. Where is it? What do you usually order there? Why do you like it? Pause the podcast and try to describe it in English. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode of the English Listening Room.